I've been having a bit of a rest day today. I haven't been feeling myself, so Ian's offered to cook me tea. And I've decided to print him a little present on the 3D printer to show how much I appreciate him. He also made me the best coffee this morning. I am a very lucky girl. In between printing on the 3D printer, I'm editing videos and eating chocolates. Would anybody like chocolates? Because seriously, I need to stop eating chocolates. And my mum keeps bringing more chocolates. Gonna eat my chocolates, please. You can't have a chocolate. Would you like a chocolate? Oh, crumbs. No chocolates for you. So it's 2 hours later and Ian's little gift of printing is ready to come out. So, oh, that's not actually looking very good. Maybe I'm going to squash back together. Maybe I need it to cool. But it appears to be split in. I'm not coming off in one piece. Bugger. That's not good. So the top layer has come off, but the bottom layer is still on the mat. And that should have all come off in one go. That little hand there is supposed to be stuck there. That down, but that's not a very good print. So click that back in. It's not as solid as it should be. That piece is missing from in there. So I'm going to do a quick little glue job at the moment. And see how it turns out. It feels quite spongy. So I don't know if it needs more layers and support in the middle, but on the whole it looks pretty. Maybe I'll have to try to print another one.
1 hour later.
So I'm here. I've had a nice long bubbly bath. I've got my gym jams on. Ian is cooking me tea. I feel a little bit better, but I'm going to give him his little gift that I made for him. Look how sexy he looks in his socks and slippers.
Yeah, baby.
Right, close your eyes.
You're closed.
Hold your hand out. Do you trust me?
No.
Nice.
No, I do.
There.
Oh! Coaster!
Yeah, I wouldn't go pulling it because it's not the best print.
Oh, no, it just came off.
Yeah, I know, I've glued it once as well. I don't know if the filament heat is wrong maybe for that print.
Very nice.
Yeah, to stop you scorching your table.
Oh, thank you.
So, what did you make us?
It is chicken Kiev with a sort of cheesy butter bean puree. With a lot of cheese.
Let's have a little go then. We finished dinner. It was very delicious. And now We have cheesecake.
Cake of cheese. Cheesecake.
Told you he's a feeder.
I am a feeder. I love it.
But he's looking after me.
Yes.
So, thank you for watching. See you again soon.
Come round for tea.
No.
Yeah, go on. Make a cuppa.
Thank you for watching. See you again soon.